Hello viewers, my name is Wilson Mutua and today I want to focus on tips on how to move from your parents' house to your own. This is for men who have attained the age of 25 and above. Now, what causes this delay in transition? Parenting style. Some parents don't want to release their sons into the world because they are enjoying cheap or free labor from these young men. Now, the other reason under parenting, it is inadequate preparation for these young people to be prepared for exit. Parents' failure to provide adequate and timely the preparation for exit of these young men. The other thing is parents' economic status. Some parents' economic status are well off, so they will provide everything. They will provide food, clothing, and even internet, and this will create a false comfort zone for these young men, thus delaying this transition. Now, the other thing is financial difficulties. This can delay this transition. The high rate of unemployment is a factor. When young men are not able to get jobs out there, they will delay in their parents' home. The lack of startup capital can also cause delay under hard economic times, because if you don't have capital for start up your business, it can really delay this. The lack of entrepreneurial skills and motivation to become entrepreneur can also be a cause of delay under hard economic status. Now, education system. Formerly, our education before the CBZ was not preparing our young people for real life situation. Our education system was exam based other than survival based. It was not preparing the young people to survive, but it was preparing them to just pass the exam. And you know, the purpose of education is not just to prepare for employment, but also to help you be able to interface and to manage your situation and to solve your life problems as you live and as you go along with your life. Now, the other way that can cause delay is through socialization, because when you socialize in a certain way, you acquire certain perception, skills, mentalities, and values that can also be a cause of delay in this transition. Now, how do you exit as a young person? Number one, have a vision for your life. Vision is the ability to see through the opaque glass. You're able to know where you want to be, or you determine where you want to be 5 years down the line. You determine how you want to be in your life. You determine the outcome of your life. You have a vision for your life. See the future. Be able to envision what you want to become in your future, and also start implementing that reality. Start executing your vision right now, and start from where you are. Now, a lesson from the mother eagle. When the eaglets are of age to leave the nest, the mother eagle will create an environment that is not conducive for stay in the nest. She will fly over and she will rattle the nest using her wings, and this will remove the soft lining in the nest, and the eaglets will begin to be pricked by thorns, and the nest will become a very uncomfortable place to live. So the mother eagles will also take the young eaglets on a flying expedition, and where in mid-air she will release them, and before they hit the ground, the mother eagle will snatch them, and this process will be repeated severally until the eaglets are able to fly away on their own. Lesson from the mother eagle. Also, another lesson from mother cheetah. A mother cheetah will immobilize the prey or her prey and then leave it out to her calves to hunt, and by this the mother cheetah is preparing an exit plan, because she is aware that one time she will not be in the company of her calves and they have to hunt on their own. A lesson from the mother cheetah. Now, another way to exit from your mother's house or your parents' house is by way of looking for men of good moral standing of your age. Young men of good moral standing. You can agree or organize to parent together. You can organize how to cost share on issues like rent, you can share on other costs like foods and all things. And when you learn to live together with young men of your age, they can train you, men of good moral standing. They can help you, they can challenge you, and that way you can be able to slowly exit from your parents' house. Build a social network, and the purpose of a good social network is where you can get job connection or employment opportunities, and also get referrals or even recommendation. So getting a good social network is important. Now, develop social capital. The Bible says a good name is better than riches or wealth, because when you have a good social capital, or when you have a good name, people can find easy living with you. People can entrust you with their goods or with their riches. People can even make recommendation for employment for you if you have a good name. There are people who cannot be recommended for anything because they are known, they are not faithful, they are not trustworthy people. The other way to exit is acquire skills, and maybe even different from what you trained in, just to help you survive and be able maybe to live your life. Now, the other thing is look for a mentor. Get a business mentor, get a marriage mentor, get a career mentor who can help you to move along in your life. And the other thing, volunteer to work in even someone's business for free, so that you can acquire the necessary experience or skill to be able maybe to start your own business. And the final thing, exit and now. So God bless you so much.